Ladies and gentlemen, you know who that is? That's Max in the house. Ooh, spraying some bitters on this drink. Look, he always finds the coolest fruits and vegetables. Okay, so he starts off with gin. Okay, comes behind it with some this Coca leaf liqueur. Okay, that's the same leaf that you make other Coca stuff from. For those of you experts in that field, friends of Pablo Escobar, so you pour that in. Come behind with some green chili liqueur. Beautiful. And then he hits it with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And the cool thing about Max, guys, is this dude's never been a bartender before. Like, he's homeschooled, all right? So he just makes drinks for fun. Ice, gives it a nice little stir, okay? Beautiful. And now he's using watermelon radishes, all right? Up until yesterday when we made this, I had no idea watermelon radishes existed, but now I do know. Okay, so he pours that in. Beautiful. All right, I don't know much about radishes. Okay, I'm not a radish expert. And there you have it. Wait, we're not done yet. He hit it with a little bitters mist. Okay, that's my boy Max. And there you have it, the merchant of false promises. How'd you come up with that name? Okay, forget the drink. How'd you come up with that name?
I just try to come up with really difficult names just to mess with you.
I know, dude. Your name's long as hell. Okay, go ahead. Taste this drink and tell us what you're tasting.
Yeah, I've never had that one before.
Professional palates, ladies and gentlemen.
Hold on. Yeah, it is spicy.
Why is it spicy?
It's spicy because there's chili liqueur, green chili. And then there's the radish. It's a watermelon radish.
So it's not a fruit?
It's a root vegetable, like all radishes.
Okay.
And it's kind of spicy. It has a savory note.
And what is this that you put on at the end?
Oh, it's bergamot bitters.
Okay. So you just get it with the bitter spray. Beautiful.
Yeah, just a little mist on top.
Okay,
So
how'd you come up with this though?
I wanted to do something with this unusual liqueur. I wanted to do something spicy. This is made from coca leaves.
Coca leaves, okay. You know what else is made from coca leaves? Ask Pablo Escobar, okay?
It's my uncle. It's an old family recipe, that's why.
By the way, okay? Your boy was in Bolivia, right? And they have a coca museum, all right? And they give you the leaves that you make cocaine from as you walk in to chew as you look around at the art objects. I swear.
Serious?
Yeah! I don't know if they're still doing that, but they were doing that at the time.
Well, then what happens when you chew them?
I didn't chew the leaf because I'm a clean cut guy, you know. I ain't chewing that. But you can if that's your thing. Anyway, Max, okay. I want you to just taste this drink and I want you to describe it in one word, but I don't want the word related to food or drinks. So don't tell me it's tasty or it's delicious. Okay, pick another word that you don't usually think of when you think of food or drinks.
Oh, damn.
Don't say damn spicy. You ready to say that? Describe your drink in one word.
It's visions of green rolling hills.
I guess that goddamn one word, okay? I don't know.
It's sexy. It's sexy as fuck.
That's 3. Okay. All right. You heard him. Okay. Pretty sexy. It's a sexy drink.
It is. It does look very sexy.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it does look sexy. Anyway, look here. Guys, y'all go online. Follow my boy Max, okay? At Bar Max LA. Okay? Why LA?
Because we live in LA.
Yeah, I know, but you've lived other places, obviously, from your accent. Anyway, stay tipsy. Go ahead. Say what you said.
No. It's Bar Max Bretzfeld, really.
Bar Max Bretzfeld?
Yeah, it's a little village.
Okay, anyway, go find him on Instagram, okay? You can ask him where he's from and all about his personal life. Stay tipsy!